English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 1. Basic Abbreviations 1. I am going to go. Native speakers shorten it. What does it actually sound like? I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I want to buy it. This works just fine. What's the casual version? I wanna buy it. I wanna buy it. I have got to go. People shorten it in conversation. How would a native say it? I've gotta go. I've gotta go. Let me see. It changes in fast speech. What do people usually say? Let me see. Let me see. Give me the pen. The words blend together. How does it sound? Gimme the pen. Gimme the pen. I am kind of tired. It is often shortened. What sounds more natural? I'm kinda tired. I'm kinda tired. I am out of money. Native speakers shorten it. What does it sound like? I'm out of money. I'm out of money. I have to hurry. The pronunciation changes a lot. What do people actually say? I have to hurry. I have to hurry. I should have studied more. It becomes shorter in conversation. How do natives say it? I should have studied more. I should have studied more. I could have called you. Spoken English shortens it. What sounds more natural? I coulda called you. I coulda called you. I would have told you. Fast speech makes it shorter. What do people actually say? I woulda told you. I woulda told you. Because it was raining. Even the beginning gets shortened. How would a native say it? "'Cause it was raining. 'Cause it was raining. I am going to bed. It is usually shortened. What's the natural form? I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to bed. I want to help. People often shorten this. How do they say it? I wanna help. I wanna help. Let me think. Native speakers say it almost as one word. What does it actually sound like? Let me think. Let me think. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I wanna buy it. I wanna buy it. I've gotta go. I've gotta go. Let me see. Let me see. Gimme the pen. Gimme the pen. I'm kinda tired. I'm kinda tired. I'm outta money. I'm outta money. I have to hurry. I have to hurry. I shoulda studied more. I shoulda studied more. I coulda called you. I coulda called you. I woulda told you. I woulda told you. 'Cause it was raining. 'Cause it was raining. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to bed. I wanna help. I wanna help. Let me think. Let me think. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.